Welcome to a Tuesday evening, everybody. As we look out over the city of Grand Rapids, we still have mainly cloudy skies out there, but it's quiet. Traffic is running fine. If you're going out anywhere this evening, you'll be fine. Tomorrow morning for the morning commute, you'll be in good shape as well. Nothing going on there. I think some snow is going to be coming in here tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and through the day on Thursday. Arctic air arrives through the day on Thursday. That's going to be a cold, breezy, raw, very cold day, actually. And then lake effect kicks in behind that system, especially along and west of US 131 from Thursday evening all the way into Friday morning. So there'll probably be about 2 to 5 inches from this system, and then maybe another 2 to 4 inches in those areas from the lake effect. So the potential for a fair amount of snow for some of us is going to be there. As we look at live Doppler radar, generally nothing on it except a few flakes and flurries showing up on the radar screen here across southern Montcalm County and southern Ionia County, and that's about it. Current temperatures, 27 degrees is a popular number right now. We're as warm as 31 in Benton Harbor and Three Rivers. And as we pull out to a wider perspective, you're saying, where's the Arctic air that you're talking about? Well, it's still locked up in Canada. It's going to come racing in here by the time we get into Thursday. So it's still got a couple of days to get there. It's not showing up on the map yet. As we look at clouds and radar movement over the last several hours, there's a storm system getting its act together that's going to be coming our way. That's going to draw down the cold air from Canada. And there's another one down here in the Four Corners area in the southern plains that's going to draw up moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. That'll track into Ohio. That's what's going to lay down about 2 to 5 inches of snow for us over the next 24 to 36 hour period. And then the cold air will be bouncing in here from Canada by the time we get into Thursday behind that system that works into Ohio. So it's a 1-2 punch with a couple of systems coming in here. 22 degrees overnight, evening cloud cover becoming partly cloudy overnight. We'll have a west to turning south wind at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. This is tonight at 9 p.m. High pressure is down here. This should start to break up some of the cloud cover, and we should be going partly cloudy as we go through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning commute, no problem there. I think we get in on a little bit of sunshine for the first part of tomorrow before this system moves a little bit closer. That's the one with the Arctic air behind it. There's snow associated with that, and there's this system that's coming up from the south and west. By 6 p.m. tomorrow, in about another 24 hours from now, we might start seeing some snow trickle into areas along and south of I-94. That will spread up to the north as we go through Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. So it's this system here that will give us the accumulation of snow. Then the Arctic front works in here. This is by midnight on Thursday, Wednesday night into Thursday. So you can see our warmest temperatures, I think, out ahead of this front will hit around 29 or 30 degrees. Then they'll fall behind the front. By the time we get into Thursday morning, we'll have snow coming down across the area. And it's not going to be pretty because the temperatures are going to be dropping as well. So the salt's not going to do a lot through the day on Thursday. That Arctic blast comes in here, then that transitions to a lake effect event, especially along and west of US 131. And keep in mind, a lot of times our forecast models do a very poor job trying to pick up lake effect because it's what we call a mesoscale effect, a very small scale weather effect, and it's hard for some of those models to pick it up. So let me show you total snowfall here. This is going all the way from now all the way into and through 7 o'clock on Thursday when the winter weather advisory will expire. Couple of inches of snow off to the north and west of Grand Rapids. That's where the lightest snow will be. About 3 inches or so. Holland, Grand Rapids, Ionia. About 4 to 5 inches across our southern counties, closer to that bigger system in the low. This is just associated with the low. Then there'll be another 1 to 3, maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow along and west of US 131 on top of this Thursday evening going into Friday morning. So for some of us, especially the lakeshore communities, the potential for several inches, maybe about 6 inches or more, will be there through that entire time frame, including the lake effect. 34 tomorrow, a little bit of sunshine, but the night snow comes in here Wednesday evening into Wednesday night and into Thursday. That 29 on Thursday will be at midnight because the temperatures will fall into the teens. By later in the day, it's going to be breezy, off and on snow showers, especially the first part of the day. Only 18 on Friday with some morning lake effect snow showers at the lakeshore, but inland, we're probably seeing some sunshine, but boy, it's going to be cold. We already rebound up to about 29 degrees on Saturday with some PM and nighttime snow showers there. That goes into early Sunday. We're back above the freezing mark. And how about 43 degrees next week, Tuesday? Maybe something to look forward to since our average high now is 33 degrees. Derek?